Hi everyone, it's Maggie and I'm here with a project share, and it's a doily wall hanging, and this is the image that I'm using, and I've used her before in I think different colors. Sometimes on Pinterest you'll see images and they'll have different colors. So I wanted to keep this more vintage than shabby chic. So I started off with this doily on the back, and I bought some from Donna Little last month. And then there's this doily here, which you can't really see much of. And there's another doily under there that's actually square, but I kind of kitty cornered it, so you can't really see anything of that either. But anyway, I put the image on, and there's some felt or batting under the image, as well as in between the larger doilies. And then I started at the bottom, and I added the dangles. I added this long leaf dangle from my stash, and then I added, and I had tea dyed these I think a week or so ago, and then I added this dangle one, and that's from KS4U, and then this pink beaded dangle trim is from KS4U, and then I added this trim from my stash on top of that. And then to frame the image, well, underneath that is another doily, and it's a small white one, and you can only see the edges of it. But to frame the image itself, I had one doily I cut up. I used half of it over here, and then, well, I think it was more than half, and then a piece over here. And then I added the rolled rose trim from KS4U, and I added this flower that I made from a small doily, and then these pieces here are from different trims from KS4U, as well as this little one here with my clay flowers. This is an applique from my stash. And then this flower here, same. And this, I believe, is in the store. I know it was, and I'm just not sure if there's any left or not of those. And then here's a piece of an applique from my stash, and I added my clay flowers and a couple of different rhinestone buttons. And then on this side, I added this large flower that I had tea dyed, and I cut up from a piece. It's a wide lace, and I believe that's from KS4U. And then I added my little, well, it's not so little, I guess, pearl and rhinestone button from my stash. And under here is another applique that I had avocado dyed quite a while ago. I think it's the last applique I have, and you only see a little bit of the leaves from the applique. Excuse me. So, oh, and then on top I used a champagne color ribbon, and then one of these, I call it a flower and pearl dangle, but this is a trim, or an applique, I mean, that is also in KS4U. So that's it. That's my third project for the month of September, and I will put a link in the description box to the stores. As a lot of you know, the store is closed right now. Julie had a family emergency, and hopefully it will be back up and running. I'm going to say hopefully in a week. So I will let you all know as soon as she reopens the store, when she gets home. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll be back again soon with another project share. So, bye for now.